Would it astound you to know that you are more microbe than human? Yes, indeed. According to Dr. Hwa A, a leading figure in the field of bioinformatics, each of us is home to 100 trillion microbial cells and 3 million bacterial genes. These numbers are staggering when you realize that microbes outnumber human cells 10 to 1. This vast community of organisms living harmoniously on and within us is known as the microbiome. This microbiome isn't just a passive passenger, rather, it's an active participant in our well-being, performing vital functions that our bodies, surprisingly, can't manage on their own. Much like the cows we raise for food, we lack the necessary enzymes to fully digest and absorb what we consume. Our microbiome steps in to bridge this gap, breaking down complex nutrients and aiding in digestion. But the role of the microbiome extends beyond digestion. Dr. Lim highlights that a well-balanced microbiome keeps potential pathogens in check, regulates our immune system, and synthesizes essential vitamins. However, this delicate balance can be disrupted by factors such as diet, stress, exposure to toxins, and the use of antibiotics or medication. Suddenly, the old saying, "You are what you eat," takes on a whole new meaning. Beyond its role in human health, the microbiome also holds tremendous potential in environmental and agricultural applications. Dr. Lim cites examples of microbiome use in improving the health of endangered species with wildlife probiotics, ousting invasive species using specific bacteria, and even sweetening groundwater tainted by pollution. Furthermore, certain microbes can help clean up oil spills, and others can boost agricultural yield without the need for fertilizers. Interestingly, Dr. Lim also touched on the fascinating research being conducted by DARPA, the Department of Defense's technology development arm. They are exploring the idea of genetically manipulating plants to function as self-sustaining spies, reacting to stimuli such as chemicals, pathogens, and radiation. This innovative approach could potentially revolutionize military surveillance and information gathering. In conclusion, the microbiome is a complex, dynamic, and incredibly versatile entity that plays a crucial role not only in our health, but also in the broader spheres of environment, agriculture, and technology. As we continue to unravel its mysteries, one thing is certain: the microbiome is set to play an even more significant role in shaping our future.